galaxy echoes good. Milk is a healthy treat. We should drink milk every day. It will make taller, stronger and healthier. We have lot of milk products like buttermilk, condensed milk, curd, paneer, powder, butter and whipping cream. Now I am going to extract curd from milk. First, pour some boiled milk. Add some old curd. Mix it well. Keep for it overnight. Now our curd is ready. Curd has good bacteria, help for good digestion. My recipe is milk cake or Malai cake. Ingredients are flour, sugar, curd, butter, baking soda, baking powder, Malai. Let's get started. Flour, baking soda, baking powder, sugar, mix it well. Curd, butter, Malai, mix it well.